How to turn on Safe Search filter in Chrome. In this video, I'll show the quick way to turn on Safe Search filter in Chrome. Do watch the video till the end so that by the end of the video you'll learn how to do it. First of all, you have to open the Chrome browser on your Android device. Once you open the Chrome browser, select the three dots at the top right corner of the screen. Make sure you are logged into the account or you want to turn Safe Search filter in Chrome. Once done, on this drop-down menu box select Settings. Once you get access to the settings page, you have to scroll down and under Basics select Privacy and Security option. Now on this section, scroll towards the down and locate Safe Browsing option. Simply you need to tap on it and open it. Here you need to select Enhanced Protection at the top of the screen so that your Safe Search filter will be turned on. Other step what you need to do is come back to the same page of the Privacy and Security and then select Use Secure DNS option. Make sure to toggle on Use Secure DNS and then select Choose another provider. Using this arrow, you have to select Green Browsing Family Filter. Once you are done with all this step, your Safe Search filter in Chrome will be turned on.
So I hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, then make sure to hit the like button. If you are new, then subscribe to our channel for more updates.